Hello and welcome to my show. It's not really a show, it's my YouTube channel, but that rhymed, okay? Okay? Stop judging me. Listen, I decided that today I want to wear something nice for you. Because I feel like I haven't been dressing very cute on camera. I've been wearing my workout clothes because I'm home and it's comfortable. This outfit's comfy, but it's kind of like tight up here, so like sitting like this is probably not going to be that enjoyable, but I'm doing it for you. Also because sex sells, and I said that in my first video and then I stopped wearing cute outfits, so I don't know what I was thinking. Anyway, I'm back. Here's some cute outfits. We got a little back showing. Now let's get serious, okay? We are making life too complicated for no reason. Seriously, please listen to me. If I could get sober and completely transform my life, I know that you could do it. And you don't have to get sober. It doesn't even have to be about sobriety. It just has to be about a goal that you want to accomplish in your life to make your life better. That is it. Okay? I'm spinning. I'm sorry. It's the Invisalign. Anyway. Stop making life complicated. I promise you, it is not as complicated as you think it is. Things could actually be really simple, lovely, and nice. Please watch this video so you can learn how not to be the person who complicates your life when you don't have to. Okay? Okay. So I used to be one of those people, right? Man, life was hell. Why? Because I was using drugs, because I was pretending to be somebody that I wasn't, because I was dating abusive people, because I was in a career path that I hated, because I was doing everything to make my life complicated, right? Everything. Everything. Okay. And now, I'm not. So, the point of this video is to explain to you how I went from being the person who makes everything complicated to actually living a very simple, lovely, and wonderful life. Doing what I like. Spending time with people I love. Giving my energy to important projects or things that I'm actually passionate about. Okay, I'm going off. Excuse me. Rewind. Where am I? Okay, how not to make your life complicated. I know that it is sometimes hard to hear the truth. I get it. And it's really hard to face yourself when you are so unhappy with who you are. I get it. Okay, I was there. But the reality is that you need to know the truth. And you need to face yourself if you ever want to find success and real joy in your life. I know that it sounds awful to think that you have to actually say, I'm shit. I'm behaving like shit. I'm creating this shit life and I can't blame anybody else but my shit self. True. It's true. It sounds awful. I know. But guess what? It fucking works. I had to finally face the reality that I created. I had to finally admit to myself that I was being a shit fucking person. I had to admit to myself that I had created a life that only led me down a path of misery. Now, if you are unhappy, if you find yourself constantly complaining, if you feel like you are blaming everyone else around you for why your life is the way that it is, stop. Go look in front of the mirror and admit to yourself that you are shit. It is not your boss. It is not your family. It is not anyone but you. And I mean shit in a good way. Like you're recognizing that you have been fucking up and that is why you're unhappy. And instead, you're saying, I see this now. It's not everyone else. It's me. I'm shit. And I don't want to be shit anymore. That's not what I want for me and for my life. So what am I gonna do about it? What am I gonna do about it? Well, I had to ask myself that. What am I going to do about the fact that I'm fucking shit and that I have been behaving like trash for the last 15 years of my life? And that I have created this reality that has done nothing but bring me pain. What am I going to do? I'm going to continue to admit to myself that I am shit until I am able to look myself in the mirror and say otherwise. And you know what it takes to do that? Action. It takes work. It takes blood, sweat, tears. It takes commitment. It takes doing what you say you are going to do. Once you do admit it, you'll stop making excuses. Once you admit the truth, there are no excuses anymore, right? Because you just broke free from the lie that you've been telling yourself. The lie that allows you to continue to make excuses. What did I do? I looked in the mirror and I told myself, you're an addict. You're pathetic. What do you want for your life? I want to be a business owner. So what did I do? I worked every single day from morning till night until I could look myself in the mirror and say, you're a goddamn business owner. You fucking did it. You're not an addict. You're not pathetic. You're not shit. You're a successful business owner. You do it. You need to work. And I'm going to say this in every video because for some reason people think they're going to take shortcuts and find success. There's no such thing. Maybe temporary success. But you want the real thing? You want the real happiness? There's no shortcuts. There's you, there's your word, and there's action. That's it. Nothing else matters. Once you commit, once you look yourself in the mirror and admit what isn't right, what isn't working, figure out what you need to do to make that change, break it up, create a schedule, create structure, create a routine, and be consistent. You could be on top of the fucking world if you admit to yourself that what you're doing isn't working and it's time to make a real transformation. It's time to stop throwing your life away. It's time to stop making excuses. It is time to start giving a fuck about yourself. You want this? You want to be happy? You want to find love? You want to have good friendships? You want to be one with yourself? Start admitting the truth to yourself. Stop lying. Stop sugarcoating shit. Is it so hard to deal with a little pain, a little suffering, just so that you can reach the top? Stop giving up on your life and start making steps to create a life that you really love. You can do it. We all can do it. Now I feel like I'm getting a little annoyed because this is what happens. I start to think about how someone who really just came from nothing, was able to do it, was able to change my mindset, create a life that I absolutely love. And it just drives me crazy because I know how many people are where I was, but they don't know that that other person exists within them. And they just need to do a little work to get them out. That's it. That's all you need to do. And it starts with admitting that you're being pretty shitty and you're a shit person. I know it sounds really fucking awful, but if you're unhappy, you're complaining all the time, you're in bad relationships, you don't love yourself, you're in a career that you hate, you're shit. Stop behaving like you're shit. Start behaving like you are a powerful human being. Start working. Get serious. Please don't be mad at me. I'm not an angry person, honestly. I'm actually really fun to be around. I mean, at least I think so. But I'm serious. Stop wasting your life. You can do whatever you want. Nobody controls that. Stop being so scared to hurt yourself. To hurt yourself. You have to admit to yourself that you're being shitty. You have to admit it. The moment you do, the excuses will fucking leave with it. Because that's all it is. You're just making excuses. Stop. You're better than that. Let's go. Stop wasting your time. I got you. I'm here. I did it. And you can too. God, you can do it. Just do it. Okay. I'm alright. Stay beautiful always. You're a goddamn warrior. And don't you forget it. Mwah. Mwah.